Hi, I'm Tami. Today I'm going to make a rosemary grapefruit margarita. So this is going to be pretty simple. We're going to use just some store-bought grapefruit juice. It's a tongue twister. We're going to put 2 ounces of grapefruit juice, and you can squeeze your own, or you can just use the store-bought grapefruit juice. I'm going to do 2 ounces. We're going to use 2 ounces of tequila. Again, use what you like. This is a reposado. You can use Blanco if you prefer. Okay. Then I'm going to just put 1 ounce of triple sec. I'm going to put some lime juice. You can squeeze your own. I happen to like key lime juice, so I'm going to use some key lime juice, and I'm only going to put a ½ ounce in. And then for the sweetener, I'm going to use some agave. I'm going to just use a ½ ounce of agave. All right, get some ice in here, and we're going to get this shaken up, whichever word that is. Do the shake for about 15 seconds, or until it's too cold on my fingers. Whichever comes first. Whew. All right. I'm going to go ahead and get this now. Well, let's go ahead and put this over here. I've got the rosemary already in here, but I did go ahead and take my rosemary and I did just a couple taps on there to let the fragrance out. And I put this in the glass. And I've got some ice in the glass. And then I put a couple little oranges and a couple of lime in here. If you want to double strain this, you can. I really just don't feel it's necessary. And I did take a lime beforehand. And I went around my glass. And then I put my glass in some salt. And this is a jalapeno basil salt, I believe. But it's a little spicy salt. So that's what I did on that. We're going to get ready for the taste. All right, it is ready for me to do a taste. I'm pretty excited. All right, cheers. Rosemary went up my nose. It's pretty good, although it did tickle. Okay, no, this is super good. This is really good. I really like tequila drinks, so I'm gonna like this probably more than a lot of other drinks I do because tequila is the bomb, but this is excellent. I hope you like it, I hope you try it, and I hope you subscribe. Thanks for watching, and cheers!